Today we had a break on a 6-inch cast iron main, and we dug it up, we repaired it. It was a typical winter break. Most time it's called a beam break, where it looks like you saw the pipe in half. The excavation was a little more than normal because it's got old trolley tracks and railroad ties in it. Nonetheless, we just dug it up and put our stainless steel repair band on it, and we're ready to backfill it and pour concrete. Wintertime, we usually pour temporary patches, what we call. So in the spring, we'll be back here sawing the street and doing the permanent repair on it. First off, you got to get locates from Y01 call and make sure you got them all collected before you dig. And then we start breaking and then excavate the hole. And we have to throttle down the main to where we can work with the water that's coming out of it. And then we do our repairs and then we backfill. The average main break takes about 4 to 5 hours, and that's getting it prepped for concrete for us. This one probably repaired fairly quick, probably within 2 hours from the start of excavating the hole to repairing it. Took more time for setup for traffic control. Well, as you can see, the major flow of traffic heads south here. And if you could see back that way, we got a backhoe guarding the hoe and a crew van. And then the dump truck sits on the other side. So we try to block ourselves off as much as we can. If anybody does happen to come into the work zone, or hitting something big that instead of one of us. One of the biggest things is what we appreciate when there's water running is just people slow down when they see the lights and they see the signs up and just drive through cautiously because it is slick. And it's just better if people pay a little more attention instead of being distracted. So we've had incidences where they come in our work area. So please slow down and drive safely. It is a team effort, and everybody's got their job and everybody's got each other's back. And I think it's a neat opportunity for anybody to serve the public and keep water flowing and take pride in your job. And I think a lot of people appreciate it. I do.